Once upon a time, in the heart of the Polynesian islands, there lived a brave and spirited girl named Moana. She had always felt a deep connection to the ocean, even as a little girl. As she grew older, her bond with the sea only strengthened. Moana's grandmother, Tala, would often tell her stories about the ancient voyages of their ancestors and how they used to be great wayfinders, navigating the vast ocean with ease. One night, after listening to her grandmother's tales, Moana felt an irresistible urge to explore the ocean and discover what lay beyond the horizon. She knew in her heart that she was destined to become a wayfinder, just like her ancestors. Despite her father's worries and the village elders' warnings, Moana decided to set sail. With the help of a mystical piece of oceanic relic, her grandmother's teachings, and the ever-guiding ocean, she embarked on an adventure across the waves. As Moana ventured further into the ocean, she encountered many challenges. She faced fierce storms, enormous waves, and even a giant crab named Tamatoa who loved shiny treasures. But with her quick thinking, courage, and a little help from a shape-shifting demigod named Maui, Moana overcame every obstacle that came her way. Along her journey, Moana discovered that the key to becoming a true wayfinder was not just about navigating the seas but also understanding and respecting the ocean itself. She learned to read the stars, understand the currents, and listen to the whispers of the waves. Moana's ultimate test came when she had to restore the heart of Te Fiti, a powerful island deity whose heart had been stolen by Maui long ago. With determination and resilience, Moana convinced Maui to return the heart. They faced off against a fiery lava demon named Te Ka. In a dramatic twist, Moana realized that Te Ka was actually Te Fiti without her heart. Bravely, Moana restored the heart to Te Fiti, bringing back life and peace to the islands. With her quest fulfilled, Moana returned to her village with newfound knowledge and pride. She taught her people the ways of wayfinding, and once again, the Polynesians became great navigators of the ocean. Moana's journey proved that with courage, wisdom, and respect for nature, anything is possible. From then on, the ocean remained her ever-faithful ally, and the tales of her adventures inspired generations to come. And so, Moana's legacy as a master wayfinder and guardian of the sea lived on forever.